back to my channel. Your girl Brittany here with Beebeecraft. I'm here to share some projects that I had made the other day. I had did an unboxing for Beebeecraft, and they had reached out to me and asked me if I could go ahead and pick some items, make some projects, and review it and show for you guys, and I happily accepted. And if you guys want to have the opportunity to do so as well, I will leave a information down below on who you can reach out to go ahead and hop along on the journey and spread the word. They are super nice. I really like them. They always have free shipping on your orders of $25 or more. And you know, like with a lot of places, it's always like 50, 75, or 100. So that's really cool as well. And pretty quick shipping. Of course, right now it's, you know, with the pandemic, it kind of messes things up, but yeah, so go ahead and check out that link down below, and as well I will have the link to their website as well as the products I had used. So, and also in case you missed the unboxing, I'll link that video as well. So the first thing I'm going to share, I had used my Terrace Bloom paper pad. Got this from Hobby Lobby a while ago. I absolutely love this paper collection, and I had created a tag, and I had utilized this die set and the postage stamp die set. So this is the rectangular stitched one, and then this is the postage stamp stitched one. I had used both of these dies, and Donna, who is Donna Powered by Creativity here on YouTube and Instagram, she is hosting a swap with using the Julie Nutting Prima Dolls stamps, and create a tag, and you send it to her, and then she's gonna mix them all up and send them back out to you, so you're not going to know who is going to get what. And so I am participating in that, and this is what I created. So I use 2 layers or 2 sizes of the postage stamp, and then 2 sizes of the rectangular one, and I just went ahead and layered it all up. And then here is my little prima doll there that I used, and then I have my words thinking of you. And then with the scraps, I used a flower punch to utilize that. I distressed everything with my distress oxide. Then I also have some, I distressed the whatchamacallit here my hanging element. Oh my goodness, it just left my brain. And then I also have this applique here that I also distressed to kind of flow with everything that I have going on. So this is super cute. I absolutely love how this turned out. And again, that is using these dies right here. And so the next thing that I created, if you guys also remember, I did a Echo Park warehouse haul, and I used this Best Summer Ever paper pad as well as some of the embellishments. Also embellishments from my from the Dollar Tree and everything like that, because I wanted to do like a nice little summer theme and everything. So for this project, I used the heart die here. So it's a scallop heart edging on this one, and I created a cute little embellishment flip book. Isn't this freaking adorable? I love it. It's so vibrant and bright. It speaks summertime all the way. I absolutely love how this came out. This is so stinking cute. And I also used the charms here, and I also used the bottle caps as well for this project, and I'll show you guys where I used that at. So starting with the spine, I used one of the beads here that I had hauled from Beebeecraft, and I just put it here to kind of like hold together my binding here, so that way when you have it opened, it's not, you're not trying to pull away through everything. And then here I also did a hanging element with a tassel, and this tassel I get from KG Crafts on Instagram. I call her my West Coast craft dealer. And so I had utilized this tassel, and then I took one of the chipboard pieces and did some wrapping and made a charm out of it. And then these are the charms as well from Beebeecraft that I had used. And so I have the little flip-flops here and this cute little like basket purse here as well. So I have that hanging. And then this ribbon, I had shared a small little haul from Michael's on my Instagram, and that's where this ribbon had came from. And I had, look, it's so stinking cute. Alright, and so this is where I utilized the die here. I did it on some backing. This measures to be about like a smidgen smaller than 5 by 5. And I had used these little flowers here that I had got from Dollar Tree. This is actually, it actually came off a headband, and I just cut the flowers off and adhered it onto there. And then I also used some dies that I ordered from Echo Park as well. Have little crepe paper rosettes and this cute little flamingo here. Then I have some pineapples and little sunglasses there. And then here is the first page. So again, throughout the whole entire book, I utilized the die as my backing all the way around. And so here I just made some cute little quick clothespin clips, and then also utilizing that ribbon, I put that on there so we have it going from the top, and then we have it going at the bottom here. And then this one is just a decorative page. It says pineapple and some cute little pineapple stickers that I adhered there. And then here's the next page where I just made some rosettes, some layered rosettes. And so this one says fun in the sun, and then ice cream, you scream, with a little ice cream cone and a palm tree. And this one says hello sunshine with a little bathing suit and pineapple. And then on this side it says the best summer ever with the flamingos all the way around. And then I did a flamingo chipboard sticker there. Then also the last one, I did a pleated ruffle paper trim with a palm tree that says adventure, and again using that die as my background piece, cutting out the pretty papers. And then the last couple pages here, this one is just another decorative element that it says best summer ever, hello summer, and then a little summer. These are little cut apart pieces. And then I utilized a yellow button from my stash as the sun, and then a cute little pineapple drink. And then here I made some bottle cap charms. So here is the first one here. I do have the little epoxy circles, but I think I accidentally packed them up. And so I had did the glossy accents for my background, and I just took a piece of scrap paper and then adhered it back there, and then applied a strawberry with some little flowers and some red and white buttons. And then I also added a little red flip-flop on there, and then some cute little red charms that are in my stash. And then this one I kind of did the same thing, but instead I did the little bow. This is the bow that came in from Beebeecraft from this collection here, and I just put that as my background. And I used the same beads, just in the greens, and then I adhered there onto the paper clip as well. Absolutely love using these colors. Like I said, I only have the silver one, so I really wanted the different colors there. And so that is what I created. This is part 1 of my projects. I will be coming with a part 2, doing some different projects using what I got from them as well, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. And then here is just the back here, and we just take the ribbon and just tie it up all extra pretty. So this is so stinking cute. Absolutely love how it came out. I love the dies. They cut out super nice. They go through smoothly. You don't have to worry about poking out too many things. So make sure you guys go ahead and check it out, and check out the items. Again, they'll be down below in the description box. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I love it when we hang out like this. We got to do it more often. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.